Are you struggling to find resources for inclusion? Let me help you navigate the Twinkl South Africa website. It's simple and user-friendly. First things first, you must be signed up for a Twinkl account. You can do this over here. This gives you full access to our incredible range of inclusive resources. Once you're signed in, look at the top navigation bar and click on the tool labeled Inclusion. Here you will see a variety of support categories, including South African Sign Language resources, resources for severe intellectual disabilities, handwriting resources, dual medium resources, CPD workshops, and English as a second language resources. Simply click on the button that matches what you are looking for. If you think you went too far, no worries. Just use the back arrow in your browser to go back. You can also click and hold the arrow to view your browsing history and jump back to a specific page. Some categories have even more specific subcategories. These will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. Just click on the one you want to explore that further. And don't forget our wonderful CPD portal. This is a must. Here you can sign up for any upcoming workshops and watch past recording sessions at your convenience. With just a few easy clicks, Twinkl South Africa provides you with the very best in inclusion support. Start exploring today. We're here to help every step of the way.